Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. I have a fun video today. Let's talk about Memphis home decor. So before we get started, don't forget to head on over to facebook.com, join our Facebook group, And Then There Was Style, also on Pinterest and TikTok at the same name. Now, let's talk about this Memphis style of home decor. I kind of had to laugh because for those of you that thought the eclectic and the maximalist style of home decor was overboard, oh honey, you don't know what you're about to get into with Memphis. Memphis style decor gives me total 80s vibes, just like abstract, geometric. I mean, it's all over the place in the best possible way. Now, the Memphis style is easily one of the most instantly recognizable design styles. I mean, come on, you will not walk into someone's home decorated in Memphis style and say, oh, what is this, contemporary? Is this a little shabby chic? It's known for its use of bright neon, primary and pastel colors, okay? It's known for geometric shapes and really bold, repetitive patterns. The style is experiencing a comeback in graphic design and illustration, oddly enough, as the trend for reviving all things 80s and maximalist continues to feel fresh and relevant. So I wanted to give you just a little bit of history about this style because you may say, what in the heck is going on? So now this style was created by the Memphis group. So in 1981, Italian designer Ettore Sottsass founded a group of artists and designers called Memphis. You may say, why is it called Memphis? This doesn't look like Tennessee. Listen to this. So Bob Dylan's song Stuck Inside of Mobile with the Memphis Blues Again was playing on repeat like over and over during their first group meeting, which led to the group being named Memphis and this style of home decor being called Memphis. So thank you, Bob Dylan, for being the inspiration of at least naming a whole home decor style. So when the group members actually met up, they brought over 100 drawings with them, and they just really pictured this variety of bold, colorful designs, which is this design style that we have here now. It really gives you 1980s vibes because this home decor style was created in 1981. So when I think of the 80s, this is what I think of. So now this Memphis style is really a mishmash of various design styles that were popular during the 80s. It can look a little confusing at best and downright crazy at worst. And one thing that I have noticed is that people either tend to completely love it or completely hate it. But whether you think the crazy outlandish designs of the Memphis style are awesome or just really bad taste, you cannot deny the influence of the Memphis group on graphic design and interior design, especially during that time period. Okay, so you may say, hey, this style isn't so bad, but I don't want it super overwhelming. How do I get this look in my home without it looking like Pee-wee's Playhouse? And no worries, I have some tips for you. So take a look at this kitchen. This was designed by Meg Sharp, and it's sophisticated yet fun. Look at the playful contrast here between the Memphis-inspired chairs and light fixture and the more serious chevron flooring and brass cabinetry. This kitchen is gorgeous, and it's a really good fusion without it looking too whimsical. The next tip would be to incorporate clean geometric prints and patterns. But you know, you don't have to have that really Saved by the Bell look doing this. You can see that this 80s inspired abstract and geometric print is being reinterpreted in a really clean, minimalist ways that looks really chic and not quirky. Now this dining room is just overflowing with modern Memphis design details. Now of course there's that bold, beautiful color block ceiling, even down to the jumbled geometric wallpaper. But the one thing that really caught my eye were those awesome purple tubular steel dining chairs. They lend visual interest to the space without veering into the really quirky, whimsical, overwhelming territory. Okay guys, so as we near the end of this video, I am so curious. What do you guys think of this style? I really try to bring you all types of home decor style. This is a home decor channel and I love home decor, but I don't want to just talk about farmhouse and modern style. You know, I want to bring you every aspect of home decor that I can, and I'm learning as I'm presenting to you all. So let me know, is this a style that you would have in your home? Do you think this is just too much? Like, when I tell you guys I'm so curious, I am so curious, because when I really started researching this style, I was like, oh my goodness, like it's a lot to take in. So definitely comment down below and just give me all your thoughts and opinions. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite room down below if you want to see mine. It was this gorgeous room right here. I love everything about it, from the wood that's inlaid in there to, of course, the gorgeous color of that furniture, even the artwork. I feel like if I went Memphis, this is my style. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, truly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It would help me out a lot. And if you want to see a little bit more, check out these awesome videos right here. And don't forget to go and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.